How to delete your TikTok account. If you have decided to delete your TikTok account, you can easily do so by following these simple steps. To get started, open up the TikTok application on your Android phone or iPhone. On the TikTok app home screen, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines menu at the top right. And then, select Settings and Privacy. Tap Account. Now what you have to do is simply tap Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap Delete Account permanently. Once here, you can either skip answering the question by pressing Skip in the top right or choose a reason for leaving TikTok, then tap Continue. After reading the deletion terms, check the box at the bottom, and then tap Continue. Tap Continue once more. For security, you'll have to enter your account password, then tap Delete Account. As a final step, tap Delete in the pop-up that shows up to permanently delete your TikTok account. If you change your mind and want to cancel the deletion process, simply log into your account before the 30-day period expires to recover it. And that's all. You've just learned how to delete your account on TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.